Hello everyone, today is the next morning and we've reached home, my mother's house. And yesterday was really tiring. I just went. Thankfully, they said that everything will be done, and within 2-3 days, I should get the new driving license with the corrections done on it. So, yeah, one mission accomplished for the day. I'm thankful that I went and got it done. Otherwise, I would have had to go down again all the way to Haldwani one day just to get this thing done. So, yeah, that work is done. And came back home and I just had dinner and went to sleep. We were up at 4:30 in the morning. No, 3:30 in the morning. So I was like so sleepy. I couldn't sleep in the train also. Dan slept for some time. I wasn't able to sleep. So I was like very sleepy. So I just went up to. We just had dinner. And we went off to sleep. So I won't show you the inside of the house, but my mother is very fond of gardening, and wherever she's been, whichever house she's been in, she's always had a beautiful garden. Not only flowers and plants and all that, even she loves growing vegetables and fruits and all that. So I'll just show you the garden. I'll show you all the things, the flowers that she has, the plants that she has put up. So yeah, this is this is Nani's garden, no?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's a garden.
You show Nani's flowers. Can you show everyone Nani's flowers?
Let me dig up.
No, you don't need to dig. Just show Nani's flowers. See? See, there's a pink color flowers.
Which one?
Don't ask me the names. I don't know the names.
But got the other wire and I got shaded.
You know what's that? What's that?
Mushroom.
Come here and say, no. Why are you running away?
More mushrooms.
More mushrooms. Tomorrow.
No. We'll make another one and we'll put mushroom.
So Dan and Mummy were working in the garden in the morning, and this is Dan's contribution to gardening. Putting up these mushrooms over here.
And let's see my own plants.
Show your plants?
Yeah.
Okay, show.
And just today,
Hmm.
go see my plants how looking.
See your plants, how they're looking.
This one
What color plants do you have?
Huh?
What color plants do you have? Flowers do you have?
My plants and they and my
That's the
garden
one.
plants.
That's the one we made for you to take back today.
Oh, this is for us.
Yes.
No,
My Nani gave it for Mama.
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
that's mine.
Oh, that's you.
Something.
That's yours.
Wait.
We'll take it to our house.
Yeah.
Okay, what is that called? Did you ask Nani? What is that called, Nani?
There, we don't need to go keep it house. Look, what's that?
Ask Nani, what is that, Nani? What is it called?
Fern. It's called golden fern.
So here's some cacti. Here are a few plants, flowers that I don't know the names for, but yes, beautiful colors. This is a blueberry plant. You can see the blueberry coming. In a few months it should be ripe. And all these beautiful bright orange and yellow flowers blooming in this garden. This is a lily plant, and right above over here is a mustard sarso. So yeah, these are the plants. This is a plant that is called an ice plant. If you see closer, it'll look like as though it's got some ice drops on it. So whenever I come home, I usually take something or the other from here. Last time I remembered I took, mummy had kept a few chili plants for me, a red chili, a green chili, capsicum. The capsicum that I've showed you at home, the one in which the vegetable is coming, that is the one I brought. I took from home and went. And then yeah, during winters, whenever avocado comes, mummy, whenever she comes to meet us, she always brings lots of them. So yeah, we enjoy the fruit of this beautiful tree. So you saw the garden, there are so many flowers and plants and all that. So we have a lot of birds that come here. The common birds, sparrow, the bulbuls and all, they all come here. So we've put a few pots over here with food for them, and food and water. And they come in the morning and they come once in the evening and enjoy themselves, and then they go back. So it's nice to have lots of birds around. Throughout the day you can just hear birds chirping away. So these are some of the birds. I do not have much knowledge about birds, but my mother is a bird lover, a bird photographer. So she knows a large variety of birds. So this is a sparrow, and going forward, this is called a red-billed Leothrix. So this is another bird that keeps coming over here, and I just love, it takes a lot of time. You have to be patient without moving to get these shots, and I love it when they come to drink water and bathe in the water. Looks amazing. This is a red-vented bulbul. This is the most common bird over here, and this bird is called a tit. What's that? Helicopter.
That's why I left it so they don't.
And there are Nani's blueberries.
I know.
Yeah, where are the blueberries?
There.
There.
That's why always movements so they always.
I hope I will be able to make more plants out of this.
Now can you see me this side?
This side? Oh,
Yeah.
this side, not this side.
And that's why it's all that warm days. And that's more days. And that's this is as Buddhist like ever. And this is this one holds Nani. One pushes Nani's all day.
The Nani who looks like a fairy?
I know.
I know. Yeah.
And so that's why they body can all over. And so
And that's baby's watering can.
Oh.
Baby will put the water in the evening using this can?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Evening.
Yes, in the evening.
Yeah, evening.
So among the other fruits that are growing, we have avocado, we've got peach, we've got blueberry, and here we've also got these gooseberries. So there were just 2-3 pieces that were like, there was I think 2 that were ripened and 2-3 more that are just ripening up. So yeah, these gooseberries are very nice, like a sweet and sour taste, and more than that, it's like really good to have it from your own garden. Here's another ripened gooseberry.
Good beautiful banana. I brought you something. Bananas.
Come, I'll tell you where to put.
Okay. Now tell me what
Keep the bananas here, put it down.
the water.
Not in the water, on the down, yeah. Take it out and put it.
In water.
No, just put it down there. Yeah, like that. Take out all the banana and put it there.
I have so many.
Yeah, put all of it there.
There.
Yeah,
So days.
put it, Baba.
So many.
Yeah. Yeah. Done? Chalo, come, let's
So
go.
neat.
Bring that bowl. Chalo.
Now I can go
Hmm.
inside.
Hmm. So it's around 5:36 in the evening, and every evening we pour water in the plants. Here's Dan also helping me out a little bit. Wherever I'm putting, instead of putting it on the plants, he's going on putting it on my feet. So I have to keep telling him, don't put it on my feet. Anyway, so this is what we usually do the whole day: little bit of gardening, little cooking, a little work inside the house, and yeah, this is how we spent our whole day. And this is what is happening before sleep time.
Again.
Yeah.
Do a deer, a female deer, lay a drop of golden sand. Me, a name I call myself, for a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread, love, a note to follow, so tea I drink with jam and bread, that will bring us back to dough. A deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself, far, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread, la, a note to follow, so tea, a drink with jam and bread, that'll bring us back to dough.
So it's time to sleep, and we'll just wind up today. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please do like, share and subscribe. And till we meet again in the next video, keep spreading lots of joy and happiness. This is Arpita. Bye.